my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani.
And it's you that I prayed for.
Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Daisy. I'm back again with another interesting video kama kawaida. And before we get into the video, guys, I want to say thank you and welcome back for my returning subscribers. And for those who are new here, karibu sana sana sana. Huku kwa Daisy tunapenda wageni. If you're watching my video na huja subscribe, unangoja nini? Just take a minute. Just hit that subscription button. We are road to 2,000 subscribers. So on today's video, guys, venye mnaona, most of you mmenidia mnaniambia, guys, Daisy said utengeneze nywele utengeneze video unakaa vizuri. Nywele yako inakaa vibaya. Nimeamua kwenda kuweka locks. So let's start. Kuna time, I guess mliona video fulani nilikuwa nimejaribu kuweka artificial locks, and tell me why mtu aliniwekea aliziweka vibaya. So wacha tujaribu natural. Juu artificial ilitukataa, acha tujaribu naturally. So as you can see, I'm on my way, ndo naenda salon kidogo tuone venye mambo itaenda. Ama ni aje guys? Guys, please usiwatch video yangu nusu. Help me grow my watch hours to 4,000. Najua mnanipenda, najua mtaniwatch hizi video tufike 4,000 subscribers. So tutembe tuvi pole hadi tufike salon tuone venye tutakana natural looks. Jua artificial wewe, kwa wenye mlinivotia pale Instagram that I do artificial, simgeni plug you guys. Mkono rumba ya guy. So nawapenda guys. Stay tuned.
Cruising down the highway, windows down low. Sunset paints the sky in a fiery glow. Mountains rise up, touching clouds above. Valleys below, filled with whispers of love. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. City streets pulse with energy so bright. Neon signs flashing in the depths of night. Skyscrapers stand tall, reaching for the sky. As we pass by, with dreams flying high. No maps, no plans, just an open road. Wherever it leads, we'll happily go. Each sight, each sound, a memory to keep. In this adventure, dreams run deep. On this road, every scene's a delight. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned. On this road, every scene's with the light. From sunrise to starlight, day to night. Nature's canvas unfolding so grand. In this journey, we're living unplanned.
Namiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani.
And it's you that I prayed for. Own a car exactly like what I saw in my dream.
La 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 la. Nikila la 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 la. Butterfly, yeah. Namiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani.
And it's you that I prayed for. Own a car exactly like what I saw in my dream.
La 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 la. butterfly, yeah,
Unamiliki moyo wangu my honey, nikiwa nawe mimi na amani.
And it's you that I prayed for.
Yeah. So guys, this is the progress. Mkiona nimepaka dye, tutangoja transition, singa guys. So stay na mimi hapa tungoje tuone transition, as you can see. Wow. So hope itasound vizuri guys. Tuslay kidogo nayo, si ndio? Ama nyi pia mngoje kama mimi.
That I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah.